Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hong Kong lemon iced tea. First, gather your ingredients: strong black tea, fresh lemons, and sugar. Brew your tea extra strong as it will be diluted by ice. Slice your lemons thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick, to release their essential oils and juice effectively. This preparation ensures a robust and refreshing drink. For the perfect base, brew your black tea extra strong. Use 2 tea bags for every 8 ounces of hot water, steeping for 5 to 7 minutes to extract maximum flavor. After steeping, remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down completely. Chilling the tea ensures your iced tea won't become watery when combined with ice. Now let's assemble your refreshing drink. Place 2 to 3 thin lemon slices into a tall glass. Gently muddle the lemons a few times to release their aromatic oils and juice without overmashing. Fill the glass with ice, then pour about 8 ounces of your chilled, strong black tea over the ice and lemons. This creates a vibrant base. Finally, sweeten your Hong Kong lemon iced tea to taste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar or simple syrup, adjusting for your preference. Stir thoroughly until the sugar is fully dissolved, ensuring an even sweetness throughout. Garnish with an extra fresh lemon slice on the rim. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade, authentic iced tea.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.